Are you looking for the best Ninja blenders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Ninja blenders that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninjafit QB3001S0. This Ninja blender utilizes pulse technology to process ingredients. Thanks to that, it can handle whole fruits, as well as ice, if you are making frozen juices. It ensures that most of the vitamins and nutrients from ingredients stay in your juice. Thanks to that, it might be the best Ninja blender for smoothies out there. The product comes with two 16-ounce cups with lids. The lids use a sip and seal technology, and are convenient to carry around. They are also dishwasher safe for easy washing. You place the cup on the appliance and activate the 700W motor by pushing down. Additionally, make sure that you leave enough space for the cup since the appliance is quite tall when you mount it. You can use the blender for your favorite recipes but also experiment with ones included in the recipe book. Moving on at number 4. We have the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. This Ninja blender model is an entire kitchen system. Whether you need a blender or food processor, this unit is a smart choice. The manufacturer picked high-quality materials that are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. The base is stable and sturdy, and you get various components of exceptional quality. The only thing missing is a storage container. You will get a pitcher with a generous capacity, bowl for processing food, and 2 cups with lids that are suitable for taking with you. No ingredient is a match for the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. It can make juices, smoothies, but also dips and sauces. This 1500W model allows you to pick between 3 speeds, and its pitcher has an 8-cup capacity. Thanks to the efficient blades and reliable performance, you can mix any dough in the processor quickly. The product is both fast and reliable, and it will deliver consistent results whenever operating. It might be a bit inconvenient that the cord is not retractable, so it is a bit tricky to store it when not in operation. At number 3, we have the Ninja Smart Screen Blender. If you are looking for the best Ninja blender for the money, you can't go wrong with this unit. The first thing you notice is the modern design and the dominating black color that suits any decor. You get all the components you need, including a generous capacity pitcher and a 20-ounce single-serve cup. The package also includes the FreshVac pump, which draws the oxygen from the cup before blending. Thanks to that, the products retain more vitamins and nutrients. The blender features a touchscreen display on the front. Like all other components, it is of great quality, and it should last for a long time. The controls are easy to use since the BUT tons indicate the functions. Although it might have a learning curve, as soon as you use it a couple of times, you will get the hang of it. Thanks to the Auto IQ feature, you have 7 preset programs available. Most of the components are dishwasher safe. At number 2, we have the Nutri Ninja Blender. If you are looking for a top-quality Nutri Ninja blender, you cannot go wrong with BL642. The product offers complex functions, but it is easy to operate because of the control buttons on the front. You can pick between 5 manual programs for easy speed adjustment. The blender features the Auto IQ base with 3 presets. Every time you want to make your favorite smoothie, all you need to do is press a single button to activate it. The powerful motor can handle various ingredients and even crush ice. However, that also means it makes plenty of noise when operating. The pitcher capacity is generous, and you also get multiple cups to suit all preferences. Whether you want a single-serve 18-ounce cup, or use a 32-ounce cup to last the entire day, this appliance can help. The cups come with spout lids, which prevents leaving a mess behind when pouring the smoothie. You can place most components in the dishwasher to simplify the cleaning process. And finally at number 1. We have the Ninja Professional BL610. Are you looking for the best Ninja blender for green smoothies? BL610 is a model capable of making smoothies, processing frozen fruit, and crushing ice. Thanks to its powerful motor, it can deal with ice effortlessly and deliver consistent results. The 6-blade assembly works perfectly with the powerful motor. The pitcher capacity is impressive, and this blender can easily cater for the entire family. However, some ingredients might stick to the sides, and it will require you to stop the unit to scrape them. The product is reasonably compact for a powerful juicer. You have the control buttons on the front, and it is simple to adjust everything to your preference. The materials are carefully chosen, and the quality of construction is admirable. All that means the unit will serve you for a long time. The only downside is that the cord could be longer since it is hard to reach the outlet if it is not close to the appliance. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe.